What's up? Check these guys out. Sunracer nectarines. This is my favoriteest thing in the whole wide world. Get one of these.
Oh man, thank you.
You gotta get them when they just have this tiny bit of give, tiny bit of tenderness, and they're perfect. They're so juicy. They're so juicy. This is his first time eating these things.
Oh my gosh. It's juicy.
They're so juicy. They're so sweet.
So sweet. Wow.
So I grow a lot of stuff on this farm. A lot of varieties and a lot of different fruits, trees, and bushes and vines, and this is it. This is numero uno right here. This is my favorite thing that I grow.
I see why. Wow. That was candy off the tree.
I think it's the juice. They're sweet, but they're super juicy. My dad loves these. Jax loves these. Like these are the crowd favorite.
Such a pretty tree too. I feel like if you look at the trunk of it, the base. It's got this cool spiral going up. So pretty.
This tree is, I planted it in June 2018. That's how long it's been here. You got ladybug trying to eat your face.
Ah!
It's climbing up.
Right. What would you say pounds of fruit wise you think you get off this tree?
100 to 200 a year.
I'm just gonna let him chill.
Probably 100 to 200 a year.
That's just insane.
We go through them fast though, like really fast. Cause I'll come out and eat like 10. Jax will come and eat 4, 5, 6. My dad will eat a bunch. Kelly eats a bunch.
Kind of crazy to know there's a food shortage in the world.
That's silly. That's silly. So I planted at least 3 more of these. There's actually a white. Let's go over there. There's a white flesh nectarine, and they are ripe today.
Oh my gosh! How do I get so lucky to be in this situation?
White flesh nectarine.
Wow. Can I eat this one?
Yeah, eat it. Let's see what this is like. I have not had a fully ripe one of these yet.
Dude, are you serious?
Oh wow. There you go. White.
Oh my gosh.
That's totally different.
Juice just pours out of it.
Juicy as could be.
I didn't know there's so much juice in it.
Just a different flavor. Not quite as sweet, but flavor is still.
Flavor, more like a pear flavor, like I would say. Like
Yeah, kind of.
a hint of pear, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. So this one is Sun Mist, and that one is Sun Racer.
Wow.
Wow.
That one,
good.
flavor, so much
Yeah, that
flavor.
was totally different. So definitely worth having both of them. But look at the monster. That's the big tree.
That right side has so much fruit on it.
You can't even like get an idea of how big this thing is. We also lost a branch. We did a video the other day. We kind of lost. I lost a branch. Got a big crack. It's a bummer, but is what it is. This tree is still, like this branch alone is just still holding so much fruit. So much fruit. So much fruit. Yeah,
This one feels good.
get him.
Perfect one. How am I so lucky, dude?
You play good music.
Cheers, bro.
Catch good
Thank
fish.
you. This is nuts.
Right? How much better does it get? Eating fresh fruit, listening to good music, catching big fish.
Oh man, life. Reed Farm, get here. Mango tastings are in 2 weeks.
Brothers within, get here.
Oh,
You gotta listen to this music. Y'all haven't heard this cat. I listen to it all day. Kelly probably hates listening to me by now.
we got a new song coming out today.
Oh, okay.
At midnight tonight. Tomorrow, technically. Wild Wind.
Wild Wind. Guess where Wild Wind was filmed?
Right here at the Reed Farm. Dude, thanks again for giving us the opportunity to come out here. It's a blessing.
Yeah, that was such a cool day. Cool video.
It's beautiful out here. Check out the video.
Yeah, it covers a lot of this place. I wish you'd have filmed it like now.
Yeah.
There's so much more fruit right now.
Oh, man. We'll do another one. We'll do another one. Part 2.
Right on. Yeah, so far away.
We'll call it Wild Rain.
Wild fruit. Well, we just wanted to share what we do. Eating some fruit.
Plant a seed, grow a tree today. Put something in the ground.
Check out Wild Wind. It's on YouTube right now.
Come out here to the Reed Farm. Get yourself some food.
Get some food, get some trees, get some plants. Live it. Be about the real life.
Let's do it.